What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe, and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We've just hit 20k subscribers, so thank you all so much. Let's get to 30. Check out all the links in the description. Thousands of dollars of free crypto down there, along with signals, COINCALLS, TA, alpha, and memes in our private Discord. Accessed by signing up to the Patreon. You can also sign up to our brand new Udemy course for serious investors, where we've just released our Basics of Technical Analysis course. Make sure to watch till the end for short and long-term price predictions. That's where the good stuff is. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. So we're just taking a look at Polygon here, and as we can see, it's actually been getting a really nice pickup off that low recently, hasn't it? In our opinion, Polygon, it's been doing really well in comparison to a lot of projects recently. You can see the all-time high here around 290. You can see currently down only around 37% from the all-time high. I mean, when you consider projects like VeChain and a lot of those bigger altcoins like Chainlink, Polkadot, I mean, VeChain's down 80% from its all-time high. Polygon only down 36% from its all-time high right now really is a testament, in our opinion, to how strong that it has been recently in the top 20. A lot of cryptos have been smashed down 50+%. Bitcoin's down 50+%. Ethereum, I think, getting back up to like 40% maybe. Bitcoin's probably at 40% now as well with the recent pump, but a lot of those top 20 altcoins have been absolutely smashed recently, 50, 60, 70, maybe even 80% from their all-time high. And Polygon, it's looking pretty good, isn't it? We look again, 36% from the all-time high here. So really, genuinely looking pretty strong in the market, as it was that whole time when we started to become bearish. Obviously, if we look back here on November the 10th, this is actually where Bitcoin began to roll over from 69k all the way down to those low 30ks that we have been seeing recently before the pickup now into those mid 40ks. And you can see we had a little reaction here. We're still in our descending wedge, weren't we? We got the breakout, the back test, the sweep of the 618 here. And then we did start to run massively to the upside here, which made the new all-time high for Polygon while the market was looking particularly bearish. And then you can see we were heading up, basically making higher highs and higher lows. But we did eventually lose steam, didn't we, with the market, continuing to roll over to the downside. And you can see what happened for Polygon here. We kind of formed this head and shoulders formation, didn't we? With the neckline here like this. Down at that 078 being the neckline, and you can see if we measure the head to the neckline, we go down to the downside and you can see, wow, I mean, look at this. Absolutely perfectly target met for that head and shoulders formation there. We come down, we hit the head and shoulders formation at the low at the 130 there, with the swing low perfectly tested for that head and shoulders potential formation there. And you can see basically what happened was we came to the upside in a big way. Looking very good in general. Sorry, I just got a random call there. That was a bit weird. And you can see, we come down. What happened was we got that big overextension down towards that 050 level. But in reality, what happened was we were actually just sweeping the low again at the 618 there. Looking like potentially, we've come down. We've made a really nice sweep in this area here. We've come all the way back up to the 078 very fast, haven't we, after breaking out potentially of some resistances here. I mean, you could argue that we have got a bit of a resistance looking something like this, that we are still stuck under for Polygon. Let me just draw that in. You could say, resistance, and now resistance here as well, where we have been rejected. So obviously we do need to see ourselves coming up and breaking out of this level here. But overall, we would say Polygon, it's had a really nice sweep off the low. Overall, its macro structure looking pretty good. Obviously, a lot of people are saying that we've got another potential head and shoulders formation forming like this, head, shoulder, head, with a breakdown target back down to here. But we just don't see it considering how strong Polygon has been on this recent market dip that we have been seeing over the past few months. It's been very strong, hasn't it? And we couldn't imagine Polygon coming down to such crazy lows if the market is pumping. Because honestly, if Bitcoin does start to see itself coming back up into the 50, 60k region, we could easily see Polygon coming back up towards that all-time high, at the very least, up into this 220, 230, region here. We're still stuck under those $2 levels, that big psychological resistance, the 078 and this resistance all here coinciding to be a very confluent area of resistance. But you can see here, resistance, resistance, resistance on the RSI. We have got that breakout back to fair value now. So you could anticipate that we could see another push to the upside fairly easily for Polygon if the market plays ball. And, you know, to be honest, we're just bullish on Polygon in general. We think it's a great quality project. So before we do short-term price predictions then, as always, we'd love to direct your attention to our free Discord in the description. Go down there, check it out. Absolutely amazing community, amazing content being posted all the time. Passive income, NFT, you know, communities are absolutely incredible there. We've got a shill channel where people are actually posting a lot of, you know, projects to look into, and we found some really great gems actually from the community suggesting stuff. So go check it out. We don't think you'll be disappointed at all. If you do want to get a bit more of an edge on the market, you can sign up to our Patreon. I think it's $9.99 a month. You'll get access to daily signals for a lot of cryptos, including Bitcoin. You'll get alpha on projects, basically a potential 100x projects we think are going to do extremely well. We've also got Maxi Moves, where we talk a little bit about our own personal moves in the market. Really, really quality content being posted there all the time. So if you do want to sign up to the Patreon, support the channel, go down and check that out. And then we've finally launched our Udemy course in the description below. So many people were asking about how we do the things we do on our channel. So we put together a basics of technical analysis course that you can sign up to below and check it out. It's a 10-part course where we go through all the basics of what we do. There's loads of examples, and we've done live demonstration at the end of the course. So you can basically see exactly, you know, how we go through the process of analyzing cryptos in terms of technical charts. We're planning on doing weekly updated demonstrations of cryptos being analyzed as well. So you can kind of get, you know, an idea of our workflow, how we go about analyzing cryptos, more examples to help you with your learning. We get so many questions and so many comments about how we do our technical analysis. So you can finally go down in the description below, check out our Udemy course. We don't think you'll be disappointed at all. And because it's a subscription-based service, we are deciding to essentially, you know, do weekly content for 2 more ongoing courses, which will be altcoin deep dives and ratings, where we'll discuss some really great altcoins that we do think are going to do well in the long term and give them ratings, depending on, you know, their fundamental and technical strength. And then we're also doing another market psychology and strategies course as well, which will be ongoing. We'll add to both of those weekly. And the market psychology course is basically about how to approach the markets, take your emotions off the table, and potentially get better results by, you know, basically looking at sound strategies rather than using your emotions to decide what you should do. So basically those will be, you know, that course, we think it's going to be jam-packed full of content. We really do think people are going to find a lot of value in it. As always, it's not financial advice, but we do really think we can offer a lot of potential insight into how you could improve your strategies in the market, and also finding some, you know, quality gems for the long term. So if you don't want to sign up to any of that, head down in the description. We'd really, really appreciate it, and become a crypto maximalist today. So with that being said, we can do short-term price predictions very quickly here. If we're heading to the downside, we'd say, you know, this top of this previous range here at around that 175 level, top quality support in our opinion. We'd probably find a decent bounce in that area. And if we do head to the upside, we do want to be breaking out of this very strong level of resistance here, 0.78 resistance downtrend, and also that $2 psychological level. We do think all of these levels are, you know, coinciding for a very, very big resistance in this area. But if we can break it and back test it, we could easily be coming up towards that 250 level, towards the all-time high pretty soon. And as we've always said, we really do think Polygon a really top quality project, massive fundamentals, and we could easily see, in our opinion, this heading up towards that $5 to $10 region in 2022. So that's it, guys. We'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with the 4 videos we post every single day. Make sure to join the Patreon or YouTube membership to support us, as well as getting a ton of benefits. Crypto maximalists will get access to daily signals, coin calls, alpha on new projects, 10x potential cryptos, and insight into our own personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes you beyond, giving you a look at our personal portfolio, super low cap gems, 100x potential portfolio, and constant access to us personally as a resource. We're constantly in the Discord posting daily and chatting with members, and we'll be hosting giveaways soon, so come and join a community rich with value and content. If you're serious about your education, you can also sign up to our newly launched Udemy course, which comes as standard with the Basics of Technical Analysis 10-part course, which details an overview of everything we do on this channel regarding chart theory, with examples and demonstrations. We'll also be adding multiple times per week to 2 other courses on our Udemy, which will be the market psychology and strategies and crypto deep dives and ratings courses. These will be continuously updated into the future to provide value to the most dedicated in the community to knowledge and learning. We're getting continuous questions regarding technical analysis, particular cryptocurrencies, and for advice in certain market conditions. And you'll find the answers to these questions in the Udemy ongoing into the future. This community will be full of the highest quality individuals and is going to be an extremely valuable place to be in our opinion. If you want to sign up, the link is in the description. Remember, you can also join the public section of the Discord too, where we post news, technical analysis, updates on the markets, larger cap gems, and the occasional meme. There's absolutely no reason not to get involved with all that value. Links are in the description for everything we've mentioned here. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.